Nice. Exhaust out the side. Mickey Townsend slicks. So wait, really? You ride around with cheater slicks?
They're drag radial, so
Right,
that's how we get away
that's
with
what
it.
it is, it's drag radial. So you must got some motor under there to pull those.
A little bit.
What do you got?
1969 Dodge Dart, Pro Street, custom. It's got a 383 motor in it, stroked out to a 438, Paxton supercharger with nitrous.
Man, after my own heart. I didn't see. So you got a supercharger with nitrous.
Correct. And the car weighs, with me in it, 3,100 pounds.
Really? It's that light?
It's light.
I didn't realize that they were that light.
It's not. I got fiberglass all over it, fiberglass bumpers, hood.
Okay. Damn, this is clean. So have you run it at the track?
I will at some point. I purchased it from a one-owner guy in sight unseen, had it shipped here. It fell off the trailer on the way here. So
After you paid for it or before?
after I paid for it. But the trailer flipped over with all the cars on it. So this slid across the interstate, hit the guard railing, crushed in the roof, the whole side.
What?
So then it started its transformation. Yeah, so to answer your question, I bought it to run it, but after building it, I don't want to mess it up.
You know, I don't blame you. As nice as this car is, man, this is awesome. Thank you for showing me your car.
Absolutely.
Sorry about what happened on the truck, but
The result?
I think you came out better.
I think so.